All right, here we have the same idea. We just finished off atomic size. Now we're going to be looking at electronegativity. That is an atom's ability to pull an electron. So hopefully we'll have some time to discuss this, but we can use our data, plot it, and start to look at some trends. So we're going to do the same as before. We're going to select our data, including those headers, these bolded values up here. We're going to say insert. And again, we're going to insert a chart. And the same thing, we're going to go down to scatter bubble chart. And it's going to give us an error again. That's okay. We'll fix that up. So our y-axis this time is, actually we're going to keep it as our row. That's fine. Our x-axis is still going to be atomic number. Our ID is still going to be the symbol. Our series will be the family. And this time our size is going to be the electronegativity. And so if we stretch it out, we will, might have to zoom back out here. I was just zoomed in so you can see it a bit better. Yours will look more like this. We can stretch it out, no problem. Now hopefully you remember how we fixed the issue before of not being able to see up here, and that's going to be, we go to our vertical axis down here to the maximum, hit a 5, bam, count it. And we still have our families here again. We thankfully kept the same colors as before even, so that's nice. We've got our blue alkali metals, noble gases, and moving on. So if you've lost this, our edit chart, we can just go back to here. So we still want to put in a axis titles, and so we're going to say this time is going to be, we'll call it periodic trends. We'll call it electronegativity / pulling power. So if electronegativity is a word that is hard for you to remember, just remember this is how hard an atom pulls trying to steal another electron. We're going to use our horizontal axis. This is atomic number again. And our vertical axis is row / period. Sorry, number of shells, actually same thing. So rows, period, number of shells, all the same thing. So we have similar trends to what we saw before, but they are actually reversed. So the smaller an atom gets, the more electronegative it gets. And so this is hopefully, as we can see, we go across the periodic table, these atoms are getting better and better at stealing electrons, stronger, 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 until we get to our noble gases, and here is where their valence shells are full, so they don't have anywhere to add an electron. Or if they were to add an electron, it would have to go out into the next shell, and it would be a much larger atom and terrible at pulling more electrons. So we can finish up here and see you in the next video.